Lalela, today I am making the viral Dubai chocolate. I'm finally hopping onto the challenge myself after a long time. So my children asked me to make this chocolate for them and I thought, why not? Let me give it a try. Firstly, I chopped up some phyllo pastry, some they call it kataifi, while roasting my pistachio nuts. I chose to roast them instead of blanching them because there's something magical about that deep, toasty, roasty flavor the roasted nuts bring out. Exactly what I wanted for this particular chocolate. I melted some butter and fried the phyllo pastry until it turned golden brown and crispy. Then I blended the roasted pistachios, not too smooth, just to a nice paste. I mixed the nuts with the crispy phyllo to create a rich filling, thick enough to hold its shape but soft enough to bite through. For the chocolate shell, I melted chocolate and calibre chocolate together, creamy and rich and indulgent. I spooned some into the chocolate mold, added some pistachio filling, and topped it with more melted chocolate before setting it in the fridge. And voila, there it is, my take on the viral Dubai chocolate. It's so nice, really nice. For me, when I tasted it, I just felt like I was eating a Ferrero Rocher. I don't know why, but that is how I tasted it. I think it's because of the nutty flavor. So I made sure that the filling wasn't too watery because I prefer firmer bite rather than a runny texture. That's why I aimed for this consistency. My children loved it. I hope you would love it too. If there is any dish or anything that you've ever seen people making, just pop a message in the comment section and let me know. Give me a challenge.